Hi students, hope you are doing well. Students, let us enter into a world of English. Now, we are going through a wonderful poem, My Mother. Life does not come with a manual, it comes with a mother. She is one without whom our life is incomplete. Let us look into the poem which is recited by Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore. He composed India's national anthem. He received Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for his collection of poems called Geetanjali. Tagore wrote primarily in Bengali but translated many of his works into English himself. Tagore's writing. Tagore's writing is highly imagistic, deeply religious, and imbued with his love of nature and his homeland. His works are classics renowned for their lyrical beauty and spiritual poignancy. His poems are actually song texts as he composed a melody for them. The musical aspect of poems is at times lost in translation. Students, before going to the poem, let us see the glossary. Midst, the middle part of something while something is happening. Hover, remain in the air. Hum, sing a tune with lips closed. Rocking, moving gently backward and forward. Cradle, a small bed for a baby which can be pushed gently from side to side. Shuli, small white or orange flowers that bloom in autumn. Float, move slowly. Scent, pleasant smell, perfume, good smell. Distant, far away in space or time. Stillness, the quality of being quiet and not moving. Gaze, look steadily at something or somebody. Students, here let us go through the poem. My Mother. First stanza. I cannot remember my mother, only sometime in the midst of my play, a tune seems to hover over my playthings, the tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. Children, in this stanza, the poet expresses his inability to actually recall the face or the features of his mother. The sight of his playthings reminds the poet of a tune hummed by his mother. When he looks at his playing things, he seems to be able to hear a tune. Tagore also calls this tune as he touches his old toys. Second stanza. I cannot remember my mother, but when in the early autumn morning the smell of the shuli flowers floats in the air, the scent of the morning service in the temple comes to me as the scent of my mother. Students, here you can see the shuli flowers, how beautiful they are. In autumn, the shuli trees in Bengal blossom into fragrant tiny flowers which are used for worship. His mother would string the flowers for the morning puja at the temple. Now, third stanza. I cannot remember my mother, only when from my bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky. I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. Students, here Tagore also recalls a quiet, peaceful gaze of his mother when he looks at the vast expanse of the clear blue sky. The simplicity reveal the deep-rooted emotional bonding that the poet had with his mother. Students, now let us see the summary. I Cannot Remember My Mother by Rabindranath Tagore is a nostalgic poem. Tagore's mother passed away when he was very young. Therefore, in the poem, he expresses his inability to recall the face of his mother. On the other hand, he could only recall the tune that he shared with his mother in happy moments. He is able to hear those tunes when he looks at his playthings. He recalls the smells of shuli flowers that his mother used to get to worship during autumn. The smell of flowers triggered the happy moments with his mother. Tagore feels nostalgia and recalls the emotional bonding that he shared with his mother. Now, let us go through the comprehension. Answer the following questions. How does the poet feel the presence of his mother? The poet feels the presence of his mother in his playthings when he touches them. He feels her presence in his humming of a song and in the smell of the shuli flowers offered to God in the morning puja in the temple. He feels the stillness of his mother's gaze when he looks at the sky on a clear day. What do you understand from the statement, I cannot remember my mother? The poet says that he cannot remember his mother. This means that he expresses his inability to actually recall the face or the features of his mother. Does the poem express sadness? If yes, pick out the suggestive expressions. The poem expresses a note of sadness and nostalgia as the poet cannot recall the face or the features of his mother. The first line in every stanza, I cannot remember my mother, suggests this. Thank you.